Hey guys, what's up? It's Adnan. We're here at the Mashion kitchen, the makeshift kitchen. Today we're going to be making some cool recipes. We're doing some stuff for Iftar. So I'm going to try and make some barbecue cheeseburger onion rings. So we're going to start with just some basic minced meat. And got about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna add our magic Smokey barbecue sauce. It's about half a cup I've got in there, so I'm just gonna put all of it. Yeah, baby. And now we just gotta mix this up. Some cheese that I'm gonna cut up into cubes essentially. So let's try and not mess this up. Kind of separate these into rings. So you got these rings going. And so we're just gonna scoop out a little bit and essentially just put it in the middle and kind of try. We've got our stuffed barbecue cheeseburger onion rings. And now we're ready to fry them. So I need to first coat them in some flour. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not good at this. Okay, some flour. Give me a healthy coat, you know, like, don't be scared. Okay, and then it goes in the egg, I believe. Egg. And then we go to panko, which is breadcrumb. I don't know why is it called panko? Back in the egg, back in the panko. No messing around. Okay, and I'm scared to drop it with my hands.